Named after Kate Middleton, the Kate Mono SF wig by Belle Madame is a beautiful long wig with soft curls and lots of layering. This wig is in the color Terracotta Gold, which is also an 8/27R-8. So what the heck does that mean? Well, basically it means that the base shade is a natural medium golden brown that has a natural medium golden brown root with highlights. So the highlights just start a little bit beyond the root shade is basically what that's saying. And the highlighting is very much akin to what you would find on something like the caramel ribbon color, the 6F27 from Jon Renau. It's a 27 natural light auburn, and the highlight is concentrated almost exclusively towards the face to kind of lighten up the face and draw attention upwards, which is very nice. There aren't any measurements available on the web for Kate, so I'm going to go ahead and measure her myself just to give you a generalized idea of how long this wig is. So I'm going to measure from the crown down in front of the face. Actually measure from the lace front down. It's about 11 inches, so it ends right below the chin. The sides, the topmost layer on the sides ends at around 13 inches, 13 and a half. The crown down is about 18 inches in total length. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what you're dealing with this one. It honestly, in the way that the layering is cut near the top, reminds me a little bit of Adriana by Jon Renau, as much as I love that one. It also sort of reminds me of styles kind of like Giselle, which is also by Jon Renau, or something similar to like Bobby by Envy. Though I will say that this one, style-wise, is very similar to Adriana because of the curls down here and the way that this top layer around the face is cut. You can get quite a bit of tousled volume, even though this has a mono top, just because of the layering. This is a very sexy cut. I just think that this is a very beautiful wig on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little 360 now so you can see what Kate Mono SF looks like from all sides. What a pretty wig. And I haven't really done much of anything to this. I just kind of played with her with my fingers for a couple of seconds to sort of loosen up the curls out of the box, but that's really all I did. I haven't combed her or put any product in her or anything like that. This is how she looks right out of the box. So let's show off this lace front. It's one of the best things about these Belle Madame wigs is that their lace fronts are just magical. They're light as a feather. They're very well threaded, as you can see. Let me zoom in even further if I can. They're very well threaded. And the lace that they use is this very baby fine sort of Swiss lace material that isn't particularly scratchy. It's quite pliable. It moves with your body and contours it in a way that is not stiff at all. It's just a very nice lace material. And in fact, of all the brands I carry, it is quite possibly my favorite Swiss lace. It's just ultra fine grade stuff. I'm gonna show you what the top of Kate Mono SF looks like. It's got a very nice hand-tied mono top. Look at all that beautiful highlighting. It's just stellar. Beautiful color. And there's that mono top. Very nicely done. Zoom in a little bit more on that one. There you go. Now, one thing I will say I love about the Belle Madame line is that they always put the light shade right up on the face, right up on that lace. So it helps blend it in a little bit better because dark knotting can look pluggy. So sometimes by having that lighter highlight shade up near the front, it makes the wig look more natural just because you can't see the knots as much. That's especially true in any sort of wig with blonde highlights. But yeah, awesome sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can show you what Kate Mono SF's cap looks like. Here is up close and personal with the texture at the back of this wig and on the sides. Just a beautiful, beautiful loose curl pattern. Beautiful wig. I can't say it enough. It's just very, very pretty in real life. And there's the top of that wig. You can really see the color in the sunshine. It's very pretty. It's got, you know, a little tiny bit of like a, I'm trying to think of the best way to put it. Within the highlight shade, you get a little bit of like a Irish red mixed in, like a 28, which gives it a really nice pop of red without making it go overboard. It's very tasteful all throughout. So here is the underside of that cap. That very soft lace front. Now, all lace fronts are a little scratchy, so by me saying it's a light and, you know, sort of soft lace front, that is relative, okay? That means that relative to every other lace front you're ever going to try, this is the softest. So if this bothers you, you should never wear a lace front wig, probably ever. But, you know, if you're interested in trying a wig that has a nice lace front that's inoffensive, this one's a good one to try, because I mean, I'm rubbing right up against those knots and it's minimally abrasive, I'll put it that way. It has a very nice feel to it. It's not smooth like double monofilament, but it just has a very nice feel to it. The top part of it is also hand tied, which is very, very nice. The back and sides are open wefted and relatively stretchy. The sides are also relatively stretchy. They give a nice amount of give there. I wouldn't recommend this for large cap wearers because remember, European sizes run a little small, but I find that this one is quite comfortable on my head, which is 23.5 inches in circumference. The nape is fully extended and covered in soft fuzzy felt. And then we've got these Velcro adjusters that go right into it. This one's let all the way out from my big noggin. The ear tabs are also that soft fuzzy felt, which is quite comfortable on. So now I'm going to go ahead and put Kate Mono SF back on. And this wig takes no time at all to get back into place. And there you have it. This luscious wig has been the Kate Mono SF by Belle Madame in the color Terracotta Gold, which is a very beautiful color, especially if you like brunette shades highlighted with red. So until next time, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com, bidding you a great evening, and thanks for watching.